morning, class. Welcome to our virtual learning camp for the summer. We're going to do a lot of cool activities. We're going to go ahead and get started. Moms, are you ready? Stuff that you already have in your home. We're going to use them to make, today we're making slime using baking soda. We have 3 simple ingredients, okay? Let's get started. All right. We have our baking soda, of course. We have our glue, and we have our contact lens solution. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to use anywhere from 4 to 6 ounces of glue. Well, this is an 8-ounce container, so what we're going to do is we're going to pour in, just kind of do a guesstimation. I'm going to move my bowl over here, and we're going to pour in, probably about 4 to 6 ounces. Okay. Let's keep that going. Just keep in mind you can substitute other things that you have around the house, Mom. Give the kids fun activities for the summer. Okay. I think that's about it. So once again, between 4 to 6 ounces of glue. Okay. We're going to push the glue aside. We're not quite ready for it yet. What we're going to do is separate our contact lens solution and our baking soda. So let's get started. We need 3 tablespoons of our contact solution. So let's pull our tablespoon out here. Let's lift it. You can count with me. Let's do the first one. 1. All right, let's give it another whisk. 2. And then 1 more, the final scoop. And 3. All right, let's shake that off real good. Now we're going to our baking soda. We need a half teaspoon of baking soda. So let's go ahead and find that half. All right, here we go. Let's grab it up. And I like to kind of level it off. Let's use a spoon here. Let's move this out of the way and level it off. Make it nice and neat there. All right, let's put that in. We have it in. We're going to begin to stir it up, stir it up, stir it up, stir it up. Now we have coloring. The coloring is optional. And you know we want color. Yes, we do. So let's stir, stir, stir. What color are we going to choose? We have red, we have yellow, we have green, and we have blue. And we are stirring, stirring. Let's go with green. How about that? So we're going to put a few squirts of green in there. Ooh, that's a little much. Not so much. All right, let's continue to stir. We're mixing it up. Then we're going to bring our glue right back to our forefront. And we're going to add our solution, our baking soda, and our food coloring into the glue. Okay. Let's get a paper towel here. We don't like to be so messy. We're going to lay our spoon on that. We're not going to pour it all in. We're going to pour some in. And we're going to get started. Mom, this is a wonderful activity for the children. They'll enjoy this slime. Let's just do half right now. We're going to stir it. We're going to mix it. Mix it, mix it, mix it. You can feel it thickening. Still a little runny, but it's thickening up. We have more we can add into it. We continue to stir. The children will play with this for hours. They will enjoy this. Might give you a little free time, Mom. Or maybe you should play with them. What can we make together? Okay. We are stirring. Something else we want to keep in mind, that if your slime is a little too runny, we're going to continue stirring for a couple more seconds. What we can do is we can add in baking soda. Let's stir a little bit more and see if it's not coming from the side. So let's do a pinch at a time of baking soda. There we go. To kind of thicken it up. Okay. So we'll continue to stir. And it depends on the consistency that you want. You might like yours thick or runny. Depends on the child. I like mine a little thick. So we'll continue to stir. You can tell it's getting a little puffy there.
And we continue to stir.
Once we get it mixed up, it'll last for a week. You have to put it in a container, a sealed container to keep the air out, but it'll last for a week. There are different recipes you can use to make up your slime. We're still a little runny there. Okay. Let's see if I need to add just a little more in here. Uh-oh, we are definitely getting there. Oh yeah, buddy. You can see down in there. We are getting there. A little bit more. About got it in there. Just reach in, grab that a little bit. Okay. Once again, a very fun activity for the children. By the way, you can use your hand. You don't necessarily have to use the spatula. You can use your hand. And we're almost done. Oh, look at that green. We are almost done. Here we go. And if you notice, it is thickening up, thickening. There's several different recipes. We figured we'd use one. There's some things you might have around the house. Ooh, look at that. A lot of stuff we can use and have a fun-filled morning or evening with our children. And we're done with that. Let's look at that. Guys, look. Ooh, our slime is ready. Look at that, guys. Look like fun or what? Guys, you can look at, once you look at the video, you can go for the recipe. If you forget what we have here, we only have 3 items with an option with the food coloring. I like a little color. I'm pretty sure the kids will as well. Enjoy your slime. Have a great day. We'll be back next week for another activity. Take care.